So after I came from the east side of Parker, I went out on the west side on the 62, and that actually is just in California. Found this little spot. Thought I'd spend a few days here before I move on. So that was pretty cool, showing up there, I'm backing in, trying to get set up, and I see movement. I'm thinking, what is that? And here come all these donkeys at me, and that was neat. They wanted to come over and see what the heck I was doing. So, and then they moved on. I guess they got bored with me, and away they went. So I moved, headed east, and got some supplies, went out to find another boondock spot, and got this next one. Got all set up. I mean, there is a lot of beautiful cactus out here, different kinds, and more in some spots. But it was pretty impressive. Huge ones too. So then the rains came, and there were a couple days of heavy rain. One downpour, a little scary. I didn't think it was going to soak in too quick, and but anyway, everything all worked out. It happens. You have rain, and you just pour another beer and you enjoy it, right? So anyway, all right, you guys, we'll talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thing is about this whole camping thing. It ain't as easy as it looks. It's pretty hard work.